Question is, I really like ChatGPT Memories. Does Gemini have a similar feature? Yes. Not on every account though, but some accounts do have it. I don't have this on my paid pro account. I do have this on this free account here, so it will show you where it is and you can see if you have it on your account. It's called instructions. So if you go to gemini.google.com, you get to this page, and then in the bottom left-hand corner, you have settings and help. You click that, and then you'll have instructions for Gemini. And this is pretty straightforward. Again, this info is saved until you delete it, and you can turn it off at any time. There's a little toggle right here where you can turn it off or on, and then you can add whatever instructions you want it to remember. And these are some examples. You can say use simple language and avoid jargon. You can say I'm a vegetarian, so don't suggest recipes with meat. After responding, include a Spanish translation. Run trip planning, include the cost per day. I only write code in JavaScript. I prefer short, concise responses. And again, these are just examples. You can really put anything that you want in there, but this is usually going to be a response to you use Gemini and something bothers you. So it's like usually something like it's too wordy, it's way too verbose. So you come in here and say, hey, short, concise responses, or it uses too many emojis. You can put in here, don't ever use emojis. Maybe you don't like M dashes or whatever it is. You can put whatever thing, again, usually it's a response to being irritated by something. But you put it in here, click on add, type whatever it is and submit, and then it'll add it to the list. But again, you come in here anytime you want and turn them off. So again, it's gemini.google.com. You go to settings and help, and then instructions for Gemini. Add whatever you want, make sure it's turned on, and that's it. Try it out, see what you think. See you next time.